We back at our favorite place. It's our Wonderland.
Why you so salty? We're gonna burn through the night. Why you so salty? I'll still take a bite.
Okay, we can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
Wanna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn through the night. Why you so salty? I'll still take a bite.
We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. This is Petra.
This is Herbert. Herbert?
One of them is real and one of them is fake. They are very cute.
See, you're real. I'm pretty fucking fake. Makes sense.
Not.
They just broke something. Like, broke something.
Really?
Stuck in the moment. I'm stuck in the moment. It's true. Yeah, yeah. Stuck in the moment. It's true.
We probably should have done an outro. And an intro.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know what this future's holding. That's why I live it, rolling like it's golden. My destiny, I hold it. I'm stuck in
I'm gonna get drunk, and then I'm gonna try and build my hanging plant.
So I'm stuck in the moment. I'm sitting back and I'm still holding.
Getting drunk and building IKEA furniture. Boom. Genius.
Cheers. Oh. Yeah. I wanna be all brown and not red.
Do we have water guns?
No way. Here we go. Okay, so this is a cat house, but we're gonna use it for Archie's choice. Got my eye out. Told you that. Wait. Yeah. Where's the? Is there not a lid? Oh wait, no, it goes on the bottom, and then I zip it. Where's your snake? Is it upstairs?
She made me run. They're in it. That's trippy.
What else could I feel like it's worth it. It's worth $11 because I love rose gold and I could just spray paint a whole bunch of stuff rose gold.
Okay, you're drunk though, so you don't have that many things to spray paint and you just want to do arts and crafts.
Okay, so my chain.
You've
Convinced me. I'm gonna assemble this. Okay, so I bought this fuchsia. Wait. Fajka. Excuse my language. So far, so good. Never mind. Let's try Archie, don't eat that. Oh no! What is it gonna say? Wait.
Okay, that's one hook, 2 hooks, 3
It's
hooks.
just hooks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you want?
I wanted.
You have to go to scripting.
Yeah, I thought it came with it. I think there's one downstairs. I literally think I saw one downstairs. I'm gonna steal it. I think I'm about to steal. You think sour cherry would be good?
Sounds sour. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga.
Focus.
Sorry.
Which ring pop do you want? Can you hear us now?
I can hear you now.
So I can't find my hot glue gun. So I think I'm just gonna put something in here so my plant stands up better. Something I don't care about.
On the shelf.
That's Thomas's shelf.
So, anything there?
Ooh, yeah. Box.
Beautiful.
I can't tell if that looks good. So I bought some
Extra. I just take it like this.
Now that's a fucking plant.
Yeah. How do I do this? You screw. Why can't we just have
Oh, my
nice
baby. Oh, my honey. Wait, what?
things? Why can't we have nice things?
Because we do them.
I once was a girl.
I figured the plant out while the camera died. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's exactly what I wanted. We're gonna go now. Plant, say goodnight.
Good night, Hannah.
Good night.